Hi, thank you for taking a minute to take a look at our demo for the 1Source ADAS platform. Our system will take your repair estimate, review it, and build you a report that details all of the calibrations, pre-calibration requirements, and safety inspections needed for a proper repair for that vehicle. We have CCC integration, making Secure Share a simple possibility for you to run all of your reports automatically if you're a CCC user. And for other estimating systems, you can quickly and easily either drag and drop or upload your estimate in a PDF format. Once you import the estimate, it will appear here on the dashboard. And to access the report, you'll simply select that report, note if it's been involved in a collision or not, and it's going to run the report for you. The first thing you'll see when you get into the report dashboard will be any required steering operations, ADAS operations, and required safety operations. It'll flag those immediately for you, letting you know what you're going to find in the report. The VIN is also broken down, and you're provided with a list of all the equipped ADAS features on the vehicle. You can also hit show line items, and this will show you the estimate and give you all of the lines of repair that were added to this vehicle. As you get into the report, it'll start with steering operations and note, for example, on our Nissan here, we'll need a steering angle sensor, wheel alignment, and fuel requirement before the calibration. In each of these sections, it's going to break down for you why that item was pulled. So our fuel requirement comes from being needed before doing the distance sensor. It's going to provide you with links to that documentation. Same with the wheel alignment. And then it'll take you into the actual calibration. So we're doing a front radar on this vehicle. It's noted that because the front bumper was installed, see line 2 on the estimate, that's why it pulled that. And then we can go directly into the position statement or into the requirement, depending on make and model. We'll give you exactly why we pulled that information. And then we can go directly into the actual procedure page and see what needs to be done for that calibration to be completed correctly. Moving through, also note that there's a blind spot that was pulled for this repair, TPMS. And then we always capture your safety items such as the pre and post scan and seatbelts, post collision safety items, all of those. That will pretty much build out the foundation of your report. And then we have some additional actions you can take, such as in the report navigation. If you would like to turn this report into an invoice for your customer, you can go in, add pricing. So let's say it came in with a full tank of gas, and we're just going to go right to the radar. We put in our amount, check. The price is going to be updated onto the line item. And then when you're done with that, you can complete the operation, tell it yes. And so it's going to mark that operation as complete. So once we've gone through, we've reviewed all of our operations, we've added pricing, we've completed our job, we're ready to present to a customer. We simply download that estimate file. And that'll take us into the actual PDF version of the report. Now we've made sure that these file sizes are under the 1.5 megabyte line so it can go into CCC successfully. We'll also upload into any other estimating system without issue. And you'll note that it looks a whole lot like your dashboard. It's just going to be in a print-friendly format. So we've got all of our actions. One thing you'll notice that is different, we've included QR codes on each of the lines. So if you print this out and hand it to a technician, send it somewhere else, all that user has to do is scan the QR code and it will take them right to the requirement or the procedure page for the operation. And then we added pricing to our front radar. So we can say our pricing is here and we have noted it as checked. So we've completed that item. And then at the bottom of each report, it's going to go ahead and total that up for you. And then we also include an invoice for each of our reports so you can generate a revenue stream and be reimbursed for the time that it takes to utilize the service and actually pay for that service. So it shouldn't be something that costs you money, it should be something that provides you the information you need to do the repair correctly and allows you to be reimbursed for that. But that covers the high points of our system. If you'd like to see more, we would love to do a live demo for you via Zoom or Teams, whichever platform works best for you. You can simply click up here to request a demo, and you can reach us via email or number at the bottom of the screen. We'd love to extend a free 7-day trial for you. So our trial is unlimited. Feel free to utilize it on every vehicle you've got on the lot and get started, get a feel for it. And any questions or anything else we can do to help, please let us know. Thank you.